How to get roles on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can get roles on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first what you have to do is come to your Monopoly Go app, and once you're on your Monopoly Go app, come to your home page, and then what you have to do is use these few options to get roles on Monopoly Go. You have to click this friends option that you can see on the bottom of the Monopoly Go bar, where you have this wins, build, album and friends options. Just click the friends options, and here you can see that you have to connect contacts or Facebook to get more roles on Monopoly Go. Now this is the first option. The second option is that you can see right beneath the go option you have these roles that I have 30 and 216 out of 30. You just have to wait for like 30 minutes to get 5 roles when you are on your Monopoly Go app. Right now I have unlimited because I just hit a jackpot, but if you didn't hit a jackpot you can just get rolls by waiting for 30 minutes. You get 5 rolls every 30 minutes, so that's the second option to get more rolls on Monopoly Go. Or you can just play the game or just wait for Monopoly Go. If it has a server down, it's going to reward you with extra rolls, and that's how you get more rolls on Monopoly Go. I hope you found the process easy and understood it, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.